BCG Brightcom Group Limited Financial Statement Analysis Result. Financially strong. Brightcom Group Limited Financial Statements. Profit and loss statement of Brightcom Group Limited. Profit and loss. Year ended 31st March 2021. Revenue 2,856 crores. Year on year growth in percent 6%, 0.7. Revenue 2,856 crores. Year on year growth 6.07%. Raw materials 1,607 crores. As percent of sales 56.30%. Employee costs 166. As percent of sales 580. Other costs 318. As percent of sales 56 crores 30 lakhs. Employee costs 166. As percent of sales 5.80 crores. Other costs 218. As percent of sales 7.63. Operating profit 865 crores. Operating profit per month 30 crores 30 lakhs. Depreciation 226. Interest expenses 0.10. Other income 26. Profit before tax 660 crores. Other costs 218 crores. As percent of sales 7.63 crores. Operating profit 866 crores. Operating profit per month 30 crores. Depreciation 226. Interest expenses 0.10. Other income 20 crores. Profit before tax 660 crores. Taxes 177 crores. Tax rate 22%. Profit before tax 660 crores. Taxes 177 crores. Tax rate 27. Adjusting profit 483. Exceptional items nil. Net profit 483 crores. Year on year growth rate percent 8%, 75. 8.75%. It shows net profit 483 in the year ended March 31st, 2021. So the company is running in good profit. Net profit shows 483 crores. That is why this company is running in very good profit. It is very good company on the basis of its business and profit. Taxes 177, tax rate 27, adjusting profit 483, exceptional items nil, net profit 483 crores, profit growth 9.75. It shows net profit 483 crores as per the profit shows in the balance in the profit and loss account statement of the company. The company is running in profit. Company is producing very good profit in the year ended March 31st 2021. Therefore company is very strong company, financially strong, profit wise strong, debt wise strong, dividend wise strong, business wise strong. In all the terms, a company is very good company. Subscribe, share, like.